Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple poster using Photoshop application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our Photoshop application on our mobile phone and choose a photo you want to create poster. For example, I'm going to create a poster with this photo. And then I'm going to add text to this photo. We can go to the text option. Just scroll all the way to the right until you find the text option, and you can type in the text you want to add to your photo. I'm just going to add like quotes to my photo or my poster, and then we can click on done, and you can customize the tag. You can change the font, the color, and the stroke and alignment, and it's up to you. And I'm going to change the font of this text. Wait guys, I'm going to choose the suitable font for this poster. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm going to zoom in like this. Oops. Wait guys. Okay, and after that, I'm going to add folder to this photo or poster. I'm gonna go to the looks and I'm going to select maybe this one, guys. And I'm going to add the border as well. We can go to border and choose the border that you want to apply to your poster. Okay, and I'm going to select this one, guys, and then I'm just going to go back, and this is the final result. Once you're ready to save your poster, you just need to click on this button to save the poster to your device. And now the poster has been saved, and that's how we can create a simple poster using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.